Right now, your sentiment score is sitting at minus 0.01, with momentum dropping sharply at minus 0.90. This isn't just noise. It highlights a significant shift from our historical baseline, suggesting a wave of bearish sentiment that is unusually strong. What can you do with this data? Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, allowing you to refine your trading strategies or alert systems in real time. For example, if you're building a risk management tool, you can leverage this data to trigger alerts whenever sentiment shifts dramatically, helping you stay ahead of potential downturns. Dive deeper into this powerful tool by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn sentiment into your competitive advantage.